If you are currently collecting Social Security benefits, there is a number that you need to hear, and that is $4,394. That is what one senior claimed in a single year, not by cutting back, not by skipping anything, but by claiming what was already hers. And here is the part that should stop you. Most people would never claim a dollar of it. So today I'm going to show you exactly how, using a simple method that you can write in one sheet of paper on your kitchen table. Now, before we get into the method, let me tell you what not knowing about this is costing you. $2,400 a year, that is the Medicare Part B premium coming straight out of your Social Security check. Money some of you don't have to pay. $5,700, the value of prescription help you may be leaving on the table. And 4 out of 10 people who qualify for this never sign up. I am Kwame Kwade. I teach finance at Johns Hopkins University Carey Business School. And more than 215,000 of you trust me to cut through the noise. No panic, no politics, just clarity. And here is the thing. Your tax dollars is already paying for this. Let's get you your share. So here is the whole method in 3 columns. Take a sheet of paper and draw 3 lines down it. Column 1, you're going to name claim, the money you already owed. Column 2 is lower, the fixed cost the government will cut for you. And then column 3 is trim, the everyday spending you can tighten. And I'll point you to a free guide that lays all of this out. Now, here's what makes this different from every budgeting video you've seen. Most people start at column 3. They tell you to cancel this, skip that. We're going to start in column 1 because column 1 pays you money. You will find more money in one afternoon phone call than the whole year of skipping your morning coffee. And so I'm not going to tell you to skip your morning coffee. I'm going to tell you how to find money that can grow what you're already receiving. So let's get into it. Let's look at claim, column 1. Money that you are already owed. This is the money that you have already earned, right? And benefits you qualify for that are sitting there unclaimed. So let's fill it in. The first one is the biggest one. It's called the Medicare Savings Program, and the main one that has 3 letters, QMB. If you qualify, it pays for your Medicare Part B premium for you. In 2026, that premium is $202.90 a month. And that is $2,400 a year. Right now, for most people, that comes straight out of your Social Security check before you even see it. Qualify for QMB, and that money stays in your check. That alone is the biggest raise most seniors will ever give themselves. And that's just the beginning. Now, let's talk about the next column. Now, the QMB has 3 different ones. There's 3 different versions of the Medicare Savings Program. So let's talk about it. And which one you get depends on your monthly income. So let's start with the first one, QMB. If you are under $1,350 a month, this pays for your Medicare premium, your deductible, and your co-insurance. So that's the one on the left. In the middle, you have SLMB, up to $1,616 a month if you're single, and also pays for part of your Medicare Part B premium. So don't try to guess which one you fit. One application, I'm going to show you one application that covers all of them, and then the government will sort it out for you. And here's the bonus that almost nobody mentions. Enrolling in any one of these programs signs you up for extra help with your prescriptions automatically. And that is worth $5,700 a year. I have pulled these 7 biggest mistakes into a single free guide for you, and missing this one of them, I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. It's a free guide that walks you through some of these mistakes, including how to get the application that helps you sign up for this important benefit that you already may qualify for, that you may not be claiming. Now, let's talk about the second one. The next column is if you are 60 or older and you're on SNAP, there is a rule buried in the paperwork that can raise your monthly benefit right away. You are allowed to deduct out-of-pocket medical costs, anything over $50, $35, prescription drugs, co-pays, dental, the trip to the doctor that you paid for. On paper, that lowers your income. And a lower income means a higher food stamps benefit. But here's the catch. You have to ask for it. Your caseworker will not add it for you. Bring it up by name. You have to ask them, the excess medical expense deduction, you want to claim that. And so you call your caseworker and tell them, I have medical deductions I want to take advantage of so that I can reduce my income and get more SNAP benefits. What does that include? Prescription, co-pays, dental, rides to the doctor. All of them lower your income and allows you to get more SNAP benefits. You may get $50 more in SNAP or $100 more, and that could go a very long way. So in column 1, here's what I want you to fill out. The low income energy assistance program. It helps pay for your heating and cooling bills in every state. And then there's the CSFP. It's a free box of food every single month built for seniors. If you are 60 plus, you're eligible. SFNP, free vouchers for fresh fruits and vegetables at farmers market. And then double up bucks. You spend $1 on produce with your SNAP card and you get $1 free. These 4 programs, most of you qualify for more than one of them. None of them cost you anything to claim. So let me give you an example of somebody that did this and how much they got, and you can stack up the savings also. So meet Margaret. She's 68 on Social Security. She lives in Maryland, which is my state. She qualifies for QMB. That is $2,400. Then she qualifies for energy assistance. That is $830. She qualifies for the CSFP, the free monthly food box. That brings in $600. SNAP medical deduction gives her $480, the one that I just told you. And then there's SFNP, farmers market vouchers. That brings in another $50. And in a single year, she collected $4,394 in extra money of things that she was already eligible for. That's exactly what my benefit audit that I'm sharing with you does. It maps your personal stack so that you don't have to guess. Your number will be different. It depends on your state. It depends on your plan. But hundreds, even thousands of dollars are real for almost every senior watching this video. And so I want you to get my free guide and go through the audit and make sure that you are getting the benefits that you already qualify for. Now, before we go to column 2, if you do nothing else today, I want you to grab my free guide. If you do nothing else today, I want you to grab my free guide and fix mistakes, and it's free. And number 1 is the list in the column that I've shared with you, money that you have unclaimed. So download my free guide. I'll put it in the comment section of this video, and I'll put it in the description to this video. Grab this. Don't leave money on the table. My 7 biggest Social Security mistakes and how to fix one will help you do that. Now let's go to the column 2, lower. These are the bills you have to pay anyway, but the government will help you cut them. And this is the column only someone who lives in these programs can show you. Like, I have been working with people on this for the past over 15 years. So here are 4 moves that I want you to take when it comes to lowering your bills, right? No, I'm skipping here. So the first one is Medicare Part B premium. We just covered it. The Medicare Savings Program is going to cut it for you. The second one is prescription, the extra help, which you can get automatically with QMB, drops your drug cost in just a few dollars. Number 3, utility bills. Number 4, property taxes. Most states have senior freeze or relief programs, and almost nobody asks for them. Remember, some of these things, they will not just tell you or volunteer the information. You have to ask. Every one of these lowers a bill you've already paying without giving up a thing. So that is why, number 1, I want you to get everything that you can claim, and then I want you to get everything that can reduce your bill before we even look at trimming anything. Because everybody wants to save seniors money. They want you to cut things out of your life. How about helping you find additional dollars? And that's what I'm trying to do here. So after we go to lower, now we're going to go to trim. Now, this is one every video starts with, but I saved it for last because I wanted you to understand that there is more to just trimming expenses. So what can you trim? Well, let's start with it. Now you can call everything, that your phone call, you can call your phone company and ask for a customer retention department. They'll move you to a cheaper plan to keep you. Do the same with your insurance. Shop every year or 2 and cancel the subscription you forgot you were paying for. These are real savings, but notice they are the smallest lever, and that's why they go last. You can't trim your way to $4,000. You can claim your way to $4,000. That's why I started this whole video with claim. So what am I saying? Start with the 3 columns. Column 1 is to claim money that you'll find in one afternoon or phone call is going to save you more than a year of skipping coffee in the morning. And if you want to know which specific benefits are specifically applying to you, that's exactly what my audit does. So claim first, lower second, and then trim your expenses third. So that's what it looks like here. If you want a visual of it, you can take a screenshot of this. You claim your Medicare Savings Program, your SNAP medical deductions, your food box vouchers. And then you lower prescription and premiums for Medicare. You lower your utility bills with the heating assistance program, and then you lower your bills with property tax relief. And then you can trim the little things. I mean, they're not little, but in the grand scheme of saving money and putting additional money in your pocket, based on what I'm showing you, trimming becomes the smallest of the savings that you experience here. So all I'm saying is there is 3 ways you can bring more money in: to claim, to lower, and to trim. So download my 7 biggest mistakes. And if you even want to go deeper, you can buy my Social Security Benefit Audit. It's $47. And that is maybe a week of coffee these days. And you can even find thousands of dollars in benefits that you are eligible for. Money that you may be leaving on the table, whether it comes to spousal benefits, survivor benefits, working while on Social Security. Can you change your mind if you don't want to claim Social Security anymore, even if you've started? What about taxes? I've covered all that in the Social Security audit with worksheets that you can work on right now and save money. And that $47 is going to pay over 100 times over, given the opportunity that some of you have to be able to claim benefits that you may be leaving on the table. So that is what I wanted to share with you, but I cannot leave you without telling you an update on what is happening with my Medicare promise. I wanted to save you 100,000 people this year with peace of mind, and I promise that I'm going to save you $5 million with my partnership with Chapter Medicare. Well, guess what? I have an update. We are almost at $2 million. halfway through the year and we have hit $2 million. And how are we doing this? It is because you guys are calling Chapter and seeing if you are in the right Medicare plan for you. And a lot of you are finding that you are not in the right Medicare plan, and now you're saving money. And that's how we've saved $2 million so far this year with a single phone call that has no downside, that gives you a free, unbiased advice on what you're looking at when it comes to your Medicare plan. And out of the 24,000 Medicare plans that are out there, are you in the best one for you? Well, you need an expert that will give you free, unbiased advice to answer any questions, to see if there are any surprises that you may not even be aware of, and make sure that your Medicare plan is going to do what you think it's going to do. And for a lot of people, that is not necessarily true. And that is why this partnership with Chapter has been so helpful. As I mentioned, I want to help 100,000 people this year and save you $5 million total. And we've already hit the $2 million mark. So I want to invite you to give Chapter a call tomorrow, 539-205-2147. Write this in a note and make sure that you do that tomorrow. Or if you want them to call you, then fill out the form at askchapter.org/insight. I'm going to put all that information in the comments and in the description to this video. And it's Sunday, June the 14th. I am happy you joined me today. If you like what you heard, hit the like button. And most importantly, share this video. There's a lot of savings I've talked about today that people may not know that they could save. Share this video with anyone you think should know about it. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you all.